What's going on, guys? Nick here, bringing you a brand new cryptocurrency video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Hashflare Bitcoin mining contract upgrade. Within the last few days, a few people have been asking me about the Hashflare Bitcoin mining contracts, and they've been asking me to make a video on it, so I thought I would do that. And I haven't really shown my Hashflare account in quite a while, and I do have a significant amount of power on this account. I currently have 200 terahash worth of power. If we check here, you can see that that is currently worth about $28,000. Due to the fact that 100 terahash is worth $14,000, and every single day I'm earning about $400, which is about $144,000 per year. Keep in mind, this revenue forecast does not include Hashflare's mining fee, their maintenance fee, which is about 20%. I'm also going to be showing you guys the profitability of these contracts. So, real quick, let me go to my history here. Basically, when I go to my Hashflare history, over here I can see my withdrawal history. I can see the maintenance fees for all my different contracts because I have a Dash contract, SHA-256, Bitcoin, a lot of different stuff. So if we go over here to my log, if we click on, if we type in SHA-256, you can see this was my payout. So what we're gonna do is pull up the calculator. We're gonna paste in the amount of Bitcoin I got paid out, paste, and then we'll subtract the maintenance fee, which was 0.0064. We'll copy that. We will then paste that. That equals 0.02871 Bitcoin, which is how much I'm getting paid per day. If we paste this up here, Bitcoin to US dollars, that's currently $319 per day. And if we go back to my dashboard, you can see that I am, it says on the revenue forecast I'm earning about $400 per day. So the maintenance fee really isn't that much on Hashflare. As the profitability goes up, the maintenance fee slowly goes down in the amount of Bitcoin. So let's take a quick look at the calculator. Due to the fact that I'm going to be doing a $14,000 upgrade for 100 terahash, which will put me at a grand total of 300, let's just see how profitable that is. So $14,000 would be our initial capital investing. So hardware cost $14,000 based off of a pull fee of about 20%. No power cost, no power watts, and I'm getting about 100,000 gigahash for the amount that I invest. At the current Bitcoin price, now right now on Coinbase, which is, here I'm looking at it on TradingView, Bitcoin's currently trading at $11,168, and it is on the verge of setting a new all-time high, which I think it will. So let's just change that price, to a little bit something more realistic. We'll do 11,170 bucks. We'll then hit calculate, and as you can see, the days to break even is 84 days. You'll earn approximately $166 per day, $1,100 per week, $5,000 per month, and $60,000 a year off of investing $14,000 into a Bitcoin mining contract. Of course, all of us know that there's Bitcoin difficulty, but within the last month, the Bitcoin difficulty has actually gone down a grand total of 7%. So the profitability of all the Bitcoin contracts on Genesis and Hashflare has been going up in terms of how much money you can make. So that's great news to hear, the fact that, I have maybe, 700 or 800 terahash combined here on Hashflare and Genesis mining. So my profitability and the amount I'm earning per day keeps going up along with the Bitcoin price. So over time, it is possible, due to the fact that the Bitcoin price is going up, that we do see a difficulty jump, maybe another, 10 or 20%. That is definitely something possible. But that will maybe make the difficulty, 90 days or 100 days to break even, which I'm not worried about. I'm more trying to create a passive income for myself. One thing to note, compared to Genesis mining, these Hashflare contracts are only 1 year. Genesis mining is lifetime. On Hashflare, they are 1 year contracts. After 1 year you buy your contracts, the contract gets terminated, okay? You no longer have that power on your account. Now, based off these numbers, you should easily be able to break even within this time frame, especially 1 year. So there's definitely room for some profit. So 100 terahash, $14,000. Let's hit proceed. From here, we are going to select our payment method. We are going to pay with Bitcoin. We are then going to, let's see here, Bitcoin fees, usual stuff here. Click confirm, Bitcoin amount. Let's hit confirm. There we go. And just like that, we should get a Bitcoin address to send some Bitcoin. I have about $16,000 here in my blockchain wallet, so there should be no problem. We'll hit pay from Bitcoin wallet, 1.24 Bitcoin. Awesome to be spending such a little amount with the current Bitcoin price being so high. Let's copy that Bitcoin address. We'll click send. Paste that Bitcoin address. Copy the amount, 1.2404. Paste that as well. We'll put, we'll put a priority fee just because I want the Bitcoin to get there faster. It will be about $7 in fees, but I don't mind. We'll hit continue. Send Bitcoin. And just like that, the Bitcoin is now sent over to Hashflare, and hopefully soon they will credit my account with my 300 terahash worth of power. Let's just get this sent over here on my blockchain wallet. As soon as I get the payment received here on my right here, I get my payment verified. I'll pause the video for now and come back to you guys when that gets confirmed. Alright guys, so I am back. As you can see, I just sent my $13,000 transaction. And if we go over to Hashflare, you can see information. Your purchase is pending. Please allow up to 120 minutes for confirmation. Due to the fact that I put a high fee, hopefully that will be included within the next Bitcoin block, and that will put me at a grand total of 300 terahash. Basically the money that I sent has to get a confirmation before it credits my account. But let's check out how much I'll be earning per day. So we'll change this to 300,000 gigahash, which is how much I technically have now in power. At the current fees, obviously we will remove the hardware cost. And you can see I'll be earning about $500 per day, $3,500 a week, $15,000 a month, and $182,000 a year off this Bitcoin mining contract at the current difficulty and the current price. So that's awesome to see. I'm trying to build as many different passive income sources as I can on Genesis Mining, Hashflare, BitConnect, all these different websites, investment websites. And now, I have about, let's see, I have about 700 terahash now, I believe, on Genesis Mining, because I have 596. Let's actually do the math here. So on Genesis Mining, I had 596 on my old account, plus 100, plus 10. So that's 706 terahash, plus the 300 terahash I'm going to have now. That puts me at 1,006 terahash. If someone can in the comments, please remind me what the name of I think it's a pentahash or something. So I now have over 1,000 terahash. So if we do that in the calculator, I don't even, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's change this to a 30% pool fee due to the fact on Genesis Mining the pool fee is a little bit higher. I'm earning about $1,400 per day from cloud mining, $10,000 a week, $43,000 a month, and $532,000 a year from all my Bitcoin mining contracts once the ones I have on Genesis start mining in a few months, which is only 100 terahash. So I have 900 terahash mining for me as of today. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully Hashflare will credit my account here soon. You guys saw me make the payment. If you're interested in joining Hashflare, the link is at the top of the description. If you want to join, get signed up with this insane profitability of about 90 days at the current prices and difficulty. And honestly, based off this chart, I do think Bitcoin is going to set a new all-time high here soon, making the profitability even better. Unfortunately, I don't have a discount code for you guys to use on Hashflare. There's no, 10% off or 3% off, nothing like that. They had a sale recently, but there's no promo code for affiliates to, get you guys % off. So all you can do is sign up with my link. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you guys have a good one. Peace out.